Hello everyone, welcome to Formula 3F. This is Manisha and today we are going to learn some basics about Excel. Now, what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program by the Microsoft and we usually use Excel for organizing and managing data in a particular order. So, today we will see some basic about the Excel. Now, this is the Excel lookalikes. This is we called as a sheet. This is the sheet and this part, this above part is called as tabs. Here we have different tab, file tab, home tab, insert tab. This we call as tab. And this part, as you can see on my screen, this part is called as groups. In this, if we click on Home tab, you can see a different group. This is a clipboard group, this is font group, this is alignment group, this is number group. If same ways, if we click on the Insert tab, again here we get different groups. Now, this is called as formula bar. We called it as a formula bar. Whatever we write in the cell, 78 plus 78. We just start our formula with is equal to 78 plus 78, and if we hit enter, we get 156 as a result. But in the formula bar, we get the formula. Here we have added some strings, some characters. If we click on this cell, you get same characters appeared in the formula bar, and this is called as name box. So here we can see the numberings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These we called as rows. These horizontal lines are rows, and here some we are looking in the vertical format. These are the A, B, C. These we called as columns, and this rectangular box, or we can say square box, is called as cell. Each cell has its unique address. Now, if I have click on this first cell, which is in the A column and first row, so its address will become A1. If I click here, column B and row 7, its address will become B7, and this will appear in the name box. So, these are the some basic things about the sheet. Now, if we want to add more sheets, so just simply click on this plus sign. If you click on this, you will get a new sheet. Now, if you want to rename this sheet, just you can double click on it and you can rename it, or just right click and you will get rename option here. Now, if you want to delete this, if you want to delete this file, you will get a prompt. If you by the Excel, you can't undo deleting sheets and you might be removing some data. If you still want to delete this sheet, click OK. It means that if you have deleted this sheet from here, or you will not, you can't do undo, means if once you have deleted, this file will be permanently deleted. If I have added some data here, 45 plus 56 plus 23, and I have deleted this data, if I have deleted this data with the delete button, and if I have done undo with the control Z, your data will be get back. But if you have deleted this sheet, any of the sheet, you will not get that sheet back. So if you want to save these files, just go File and Save As, and rename your file from, just double click here and rename your file. So this is for today. Thank you very much. If you like this information, this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.